No, but I know what it's like.
You didn't go gremlin off on him again?
I'm sorry. I didn't be nice. Thank you. Sarah will be fine. Laura, you have to believe that. Let's go.
Petey, stop barking. I know, get up here. If she'll let you, get up.
I know, I'm just not very good with
Lucy, this is his house. You're visiting.
She's hiding something. She seems conflicted.
Lucy, this is his house. Come here, Petey. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Lucy. Come here, Petey. Get up. Get up.